Phonetics can be analyzed by using table and numbers. Okay, it is a much easier method and suitable for beginner taxonomies. Okay. However, the weakness of the system uh, cannot differentiate between homology and homoplasy. Okay, they cannot explain the system, the phonetic system like this one. They cannot explain why birds and butterfly are not belong together. Why butterfly cannot include as bird, even though butterfly also can fly, birds also can fly with wings. Okay, so you will have a figure like this, and it explain how similar or not similar. Okay, for example, we have list of plant species here: corn, mango, paddy, wheat, and cashew. Okay, we want to explain this list of these plants, how they are closer together, or they are not included, they are not the same. So we put them into tables. Okay, taxon species: corn, mango, paddy, wheat, cashew, and we pick observable, something observable like seed, monocotyledon, dicotyledon, and edible flesh. Okay, for example, corn. In the column of monocotyledon, corn, they are monocots. Mango is not monocot. Okay, absent. Look at here. And then paddy is monocot. Wheat is monocot. Cashew is not monocot. So we look at dicotyledon. Corn is not dicotyledon. Mango is dicotyledon. Paddy is not dicot. Wheat is not dicot. Cashew is dicot. So edible flesh, only mango and cashew have edible flesh. So in the end, what we can say here, corn, paddy and wheat belong together. Mango and cashew excluded out of corn, paddy and wheat. Okay, so based on overall similarities. So you can see here, this is mango, this is cashew, this is corn, this is wheat, this is paddy. Okay. Phylogenetics, classification methods. Okay, classification of animals or plants or any species organism according to the proportion of measurable characteristics that they have in common. Usually, the method use only synapomorphism or only share derived characters are used. Okay, taxa with the same synapomorphism belong together. The intention of the phylogenetics or cladistics is to produce an estimate evolution of the taxa. So we can estimate the evolution of organism if we classify them using phylogenetic or cladistics method. So this is a classification method. So you will have a branch, node, internode, common ancestor here. Okay. So if we put the example before this, paddy, wheat, and corn. Okay. Corn is A, B is wheat, C is paddy. And here D is mango, E is cashew. Okay, so divergent here. Okay, see, so this another example. They put crocodile, birds, because the common ancestor have eggs with shells, and then here excluded because this chimpanzee and this is rabbits, they belong together because they have hair. These two here and here, they have same common ancestor that have amniotic egg. So the lineages diverge here. B and C is a sister taxa. So here is the starting point. What they call it, common ancestor. Okay. So here point of divergence and G as the basal taxon. Means G is more primitive compared to A because it is a basal taxon. You look at here. Okay, the basal taxon. Okay. Sister taxa share an immediate common ancestor. Sister taxa share an immediate common ancestor. These are few important terminology. Assumption in cladistic, when the bifurcation happen of the lineage, okay, when the lineage is splitted, means there are new species. All species if they belong together must share a common ancestor. All species derived from a common ancestor must be included in the taxon. The application of these requirements result in the following terms by terms being used to describe the different way in which groupings can be made. When constructing phylogeny, systematists need to distinguish whether a similarity is a homology or analogy. Homology because of shared ancestor, they have the same common ancestor. Analogy is caused by convergent evolution. So homology because this organism, they share the same common ancestor, but analogy due to convergent evolution. Convergent evolution, we will look at the example. Okay, this how we explain convergent versus divergent evolution. Okay, divergent evolution here. This shark, dolphin, and puma, they have backbone. They have backbone, cranium, and the brain. Okay, this is how they diverge. Okay, first they diverge here at the point, and then become mammals, and then this one become fish. So in the mammal, we put dolphin and puma together, means dolphin and puma closer together, included together, but shark put away. Even though dolphin can swim, shark also can swim. Dolphin is the habitat of dolphin is in the sea. The habitat of shark also in the sea. Puma is on the land. But dolphin and puma belong together. They are classified as mammalia because of bony skeleton and lungs. Bony skeleton and lungs. Okay. This dolphin, they have lungs. Puma, they have lungs. Okay. Then they have bony skeleton. Here, the shark, they have gills. Okay, they have gills and cartilaginous skeleton, not bony skeleton. So shark here put as fish, dolphin here put as mammal. This shark and dolphin consider as what we call it convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. Okay. Same thing with bat and bird wings. Bat is a mammal. Okay, and bird wings. For example, chicken. Okay, chicken is a bird. Okay, they are homologous in the term of 4 limbs. Analogous, 4 limbs. 4 limbs, analogous. But in the fossil evidence, bat and wings, bat wing is not the same with bird wings. Okay, it is more complex. Even though bat they have wing, okay, bird also have wings, but these two not belong to the same. Bat is not bird, bird is not mammal. Bat is mammal, it's not bird, even though it has wing. Okay, can you find scientific classification of human? Okay, if we look here, this is hominid evolution. So here is chimpanzee. Okay, this is the basal taxon. So we are here Homo sapiens. Okay, means here is more primitive. Chimpanzee is more primitive compared to Homo sapiens. But these two have the same common ancestor. Okay, common ancestor. The closer to Homo sapiens is Homo neanderthalensis. So our close cousin, Homo sapiens close cousin is Homo neanderthalensis. Dichotomous key. Dichotomous key is a tool used in identifying organisms. Contains slit and it will form couplet. Okay, 2 types, bricated and yoked key. We will look at the example. Okay, this is an example of yoked key. Look at it. We have few animals here. Snail, snake, earthworm, cockroach, bull ants, and spider. Okay, so we have the morphology. In the end, we can identify the species. So this is example of bricated key. Snail, appendages, same, just the outline. This one is more neat compared to the other one. Thank you.